Twice a year, we pack our bags. But the memories, they happen all year long. Ready for the ride? Let's go.
Summer sun, we're on the run. Suitcase packed and the heat has just begun. Toes in the sand, drink in our hand, chasing sunsets in a foreign land. Road trips blasting, windows down, laughing loud through little towns. Water parks and fairground lights, jumping in pools on neon nights. We don't need no map, we know the vibe. Anywhere with you, I come alive. From beach days to midnight rides, let's make these memories multiply. Twice a year, we fly away, but in between, we still play. Every moment's like a getaway, yeah. We live for nights like this, festival lights, dancing free, kissing you on the balcony. No matter where we go, you're home to me. And we live for nights like this. Cold outside, but we're on fire. Snowy peaks and the party climbs higher. Sipping hot drinks, then shots again. I aprés-ski till the bitter end. Blanket screens and cozy shows. Popcorn rain while the fire glows. Disney Prime and Netflix nights. You and me and the softest light. From mountain highs to summer breeze, we freeze, we burn, but never freeze. Our love's a spark through all the scenes. This life's a movie and we're the lead. Twice a year, we fly away, but in between, we still play. Every moment's like a getaway, yeah. Yeah, we live for nights like this, festival lights, dancing free, kissing you on the balcony. No matter where we go, you're home to me. And we live for nights like this. Oh, from beaches white to snowy slides. Oh, our hearts beat loud, electrified. And I say we do. Wait, we live big. Level så vi som är söderblå. Det låter i katten, men den är det ska.